Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the mini clip so it performs predictably. First, charge the unit and confirm the LED indicates readiness. Once done, open the companion app and enable Bluetooth. Next, power on the tuner and clip it to the headstock where vibrations transfer cleanly. Make sure the clip's rubber grips sit flat against the wood so readings are stable. Finally, pair the device with the app. Once paired, you're ready to move into calibration and tuning. Once paired, set the reference pitch and select the correct instrument or string mode so the tuner interprets vibrations correctly. You calibrate by plucking a known note and adjusting the reference if the displayed pitch is off. Make small changes and recheck. When tuning, pluck with steady force, watch the needle and numeric sense readout, and turn your tuning peg slowly until the indicator centers. Because the clip senses vibration, muting nearby strings prevents false readings and speeds. To finish, systematically tune every string and verify each note sits within your tolerance, for example within plus or minus 5 cents. Once complete, save any custom calibration or mode in the app and gently remove the clip. Store it charged and protected. If the tuner misbehaves, first reboot the clip in your phone, check battery level, and repair Bluetooth. If that fails, update firmware in the app or swap batteries. This solves most connection and accuracy issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.